Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella, and we're back with another video. So today's video is going to be a really quick one. I just want to show you guys my order just from the title. It's Sheen Glam or SHEGLAM. So Shein recently launched, maybe not recently, but now the Shein brand has their own makeup line and it is called SHEGLAM, and I threw in a couple of dollars on the SHEGLAM products, and I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered from Shein. So I ordered from the Shein website, and I also used the code to check out to give me 15% off. I'm going to be leaving the code I used in the description box below just in case you guys want to use that code, you know, to try it out. So yeah, without more further ado, let's jump right into today's video. My name is Niella and I create content around every freaking thing you see on this channel, so be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever a new video pops live on my channel. And if you're an oldie, thank you so much for sticking with me to this present time. You guys make this entire journey worth it. So guys, let us jump right into today's video. So guys, the package pretty much came like this. I'm trying to remember when I ordered, but I'm going to go through my phone. I placed my order on the 14th of May 2021, and the order just came in today. Today is 6th of June or 7th of June 2021, although they said that there has been a delay because it has actually been in Canada since the 20th of May 2021. So this is how it came. I'm just going to be doing like an unboxing for you guys, and I'll probably just, you know, create a different video on what the product looks like. So I'm just going to start with this. So guys, I saw this and I was really impressed, and I think what is in here has to be the eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to be dropping this somewhere, and I'm going to be unboxing it, probably, you know, the last product. The thing I love about this is it's just supposed to secure the palette, since it's going to be traveling, you know, from country to country. And yeah, so I ordered a pair of lashes. This is 10 pairs of lashes, and this is what it's looking. So this is what the 10 pair of lashes is looking like. I'm just going to see if I could open this quickly from the pack. Okay. So yeah, I wasn't really expecting much from this pack of lash, but I just said to try because it seemed like it has different styles, which isn't so obvious. So guys, I got a pair of eye makeup brushes, and look, when I opened the pack, like just to take a sneak peek, I saw this and I was like, okay, so what am I supposed to do with this? These brushes are so short. Like, I didn't know this was the length of the brush. Let me see if I can find a picture for you guys. So this is what it looks like from their app. I didn't know it was going to be this short. If I had known, I wouldn't have used it, or I wouldn't have ordered for it. I really needed eye makeup brushes. I'm good with face makeup brushes, but I needed, you know, to change my eye makeup brushes. I'll probably just keep this since I said this is an unboxing video. So I got the okay, let me just open it for you guys. So the brushes actually looks like it's going to be hard from what I can. Oh my god, okay, it's not hard guys, it's actually soft. It actually looks really coarse from like looking at it. I don't know if you guys can see. The brush actually looks really coarse. It looks like one of those cheap brushes, like really cheap, but guys, these brushes are soft. Okay, no regrets. And the next one has to be the SHEGLAM Pro Precision Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I can't remember the last time I used a liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I'm just going to be unboxing this. Okay, it's kind of sealed. I don't have the whole day. Guys, it's kind of hot in case you see me sweating, and I don't want to turn on the fan because I think my mic battery is dead. I left my mic on, I didn't know, and I think the last time I filmed was maybe in May. So oh, this looks good. So it says liquid eyeliner. I really cannot remember what I got, but it's a pen liner and it looks so sleek. Yeah, it looks really sleek. I like the pen. It looks like the pen is just the right amount of thin, and I don't know, I actually like black packaging. Okay, so I got the Shinglam full coverage concealer. I got the shade in walnut. So I think I'm going to be needing like a razor blade or some scissors just to pop this open. And another thing I got was the Shinglam Baked Glow setting powder. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to try to just put up a picture. Okay guys, can you take a look at packaging? It's not a small something. So I got the shade in Cappuccino, right? Yeah, so this is what the Cappuccino color looks like. I just got it so that I could set my makeup. So yeah, it looks like, I don't know. Okay, the pouch has a really funny smell, but it's not overpowering. I like the packaging of the powder. What else, guys? I got some matte lipstick. See packaging of lipstick, guys. Can you see this, guys? The cover is even heavy. So this is how much product you get from the lipstick, and guys, it looks really luxurious, and it has, I think there's a magnet. Did you get that? Yeah. So what else is in the bag? So I got the Shinglam all-in-one mascara. So this is what the packaging actually looks like. Pop this open to see. Okay, so yeah, so it has a wand, a bigger wand I think, and a thinner wand. So I think this is going to help you reach like your inner corners and also under your eye. Okay, doesn't smell weird. And this is what the fat brush looks like. Yep. Okay, so next thing I got is the Sheen Lipstick, another lipstick. So this is Rogue. The first one is Carnival. That's the name. It was when I was looking at my order today, I realized that I ordered for 2 Rogues. I don't know why I did that. Because I know that was supposed to be like a discount. If you order for 3 of the lipsticks, I think you get 5% off or 15% off, or you get the other one free. I really cannot remember. So this is Carnival, and it also has like a Shinglam written on the lipstick. Can you guys? Sorry guys, it's not focusing and I don't want to waste so much time. So the next thing is another lipstick, and this is in the shade Rogue. So I told you guys I ordered for 2 Rogues, and this is the foundation. I'm just going to quickly rip this open. They put it in a bubble wrap, which is really cute so it doesn't break. And I got the shade in Mocha. Okay. So it also comes in another cute velvet bag. Interesting. Okay, Sheen, okay. So guys, I don't know if this is my shade, but it's looking like somehow, but I'm going to be doing this in, like, I'm going to be doing a first impression slash a demo of using this product on my face. I tried to get like everything I needed for a full face, but I don't think I did that. Okay, so I also got the concealer. I kind of put everything I needed for a full face in. So another thing I ordered was the matte lipstick. So this is a liquid lipstick and it comes in this very cute gold packaging. I really love it, guys. I'm sorry if this is not focusing. Ooh, okay, Shein. Okay, yeah, I got the shade in, what's the name of the shade? Haters. Yeah, all of my haters keep on hating. So I got the shade in Haters, and it's a very rich nudish brown shade. Gosh, I think I'm so excited about my order. And the next thing I got is the Shinglam 12-hour full coverage concealer, and it comes in this really cute silver packaging, and this is what the concealer pretty much looks like. So it has like a doe applicator that helps you, okay, no smell, that helps you apply your concealer. And I got the shade in Walnut. I think this looks like the shade, the same shade I got from the Juvia's Place. So well, we're going to be trying that out to see how it will look like. So the last but not the least, like I said, packaging for me is top notch with all of the things I received. Like, none of them looked ordinary to me or like with basic packaging. And guys, whew. Okay, so this palette is heavy. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. Oh my god, the packaging is heavy. Like, I can't remember the last time I had an eyeshadow palette that was this heavy, like bulky. Okay, so I got the Afterglow eyeshadow palette, and it says autumn eyeshadow. The reason why I got this is because of the colors, kind of they gravitate towards the kind of look I love to create. Just a little other colors, but mostly you find gold, silver, nudes, browns, and it's just these two colors up here. There's blue and this other shade of blue that has that is actually different. And that's this palette, guys. The packaging, this palette is heavy. I don't mean like, but compared to all other palettes I've been getting in the past, this weighs more. And I love the fact that they put the palette into this. Trust me, there's no how, you know, there's turbulence on the air. This palette is not going to break. So I don't know if I want to throw this away. Yes, Niella, please throw it away. Or I want to keep it to help me safeguard this palette. So guys, that's pretty much everything I bought from Shein, and I'm just going to quickly talk about how much everything cost. So the matte lipsticks, I got them for $4.25, I think, because I bought 3 of them. The foundation, I got it. Okay, so the honest truth is most of all these things actually have like prices slashed because of the fact that I used a discount code. So the original price for the lipsticks is $5. The original price for the foundation, you have $12. Mascara is $6. Eyeliner is $4. The setting powder is $5. The concealer is $5 as well. This eyeshadow palette is $10. The matte lipstick is $5. The lashes comes at $8, and the pair of brushes I got is $6. So guys, I'm going to be doing a video, you know, using this entire product and also talking more about this product. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Like I said, it was a really quick one. Bye guys.